heartily welcome to you in my Easy Maths Academy YouTube channel. Due to your valuable subscription, likes and comments, I really got inspiration so that I come with the new videos. Set. Let's see one by one methods of writing set. There are two methods of writing set. First one, listing method or roster method, and second one is rule method or set builder method. Again, there are four types of sets. First one, singleton set. Second one, empty set. Third one, finite set, and fourth one, infinite set. Let's see one by one. First of all, what is the definition of set? A collection of well-defined object is called set. Collection of well-defined object is called as set. म्हणजेच ज्या समूहातील घटक आपण अचूक व नेमकेपणाने सांगू शकतो अशा घटकांच्या समूहाला सेट असे म्हणायचं, संच म्हणायचं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, a bucket of flowers, a pack of cars, a flock of birds. Like these are the examples of sets. Let's see. Sets are denoted by the capital letters A, B, C. Sets are represented as by the letters, capital letters A, B, C, and every element in the set called member of the set or elements of the set, and it is denoted as small letters A, B, C, like this. Again, the sets are written in the curly brackets. Got it? Next one. Here we can say that element A is a member of set A. It is denoted by an notation can be as small a belongs to A. Meaning of this, element E is the member of set A or A belongs to A. Got it? And again, A is not an element of set A. This can be written by notation as A does not belongs to set A. Got it? Next one, method or rule method. There are four rules of writing a set by listing method. First one is write the set in a curly bracket. Write a given set in a curly brackets, and every elements in the set is separated by commas. Every elements in the set are enclosed in curly bracket, and every elements is separated by commas. Third step is do not repeat any elements in a set. That is, every elements in the set can be written at only once. Got it? And this is our listing method. Set A. First one, set in the listing method, set can be written or enclosed, all the elements are enclosed in curly brackets. Every elements can be separated by commas, and each and every elements can be written at only once. Got it? Rule method or set builder method. Second method is rule method or set builder method. In this method, rule method or set builder method. In this method, we cannot list the elements of the set. We can use one variable like x, y or p or q, which shows all the properties of the whole set uniquely. Rule method or set builder method. In this method, we cannot list the element. We can use any variable like x, y, p, q, which shows all the properties in the set uniquely. Got it? Then we have here one set, that is set A equal to x, x is even prime number, and this set can be read as set A equal to all the element x in the set A such that all elements x in set A such that x is a prime, even prime number. Got it? All the elements x in a set A such that x is even prime number. That is, we can write this set in the listing method, set A equal to 2, because 2 is the even prime number. Got it? Next one. Practice set 1.1. Write the following set in listing method. Question number 1 is set of even natural numbers. That is, we can choose any letter. That is, set B equal to set of even natural numbers, but these are even numbers. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to infinity. Got it? Set of even natural number. This set can be written by listing method. Set B equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to infinity. Question number 2. Set of negative integers. Set of negative integers. Set of negative integers, and we can write by notation of set P equal to curly bracket set of negative integers means what? -1, -2, -3 up to infinity. This is our set of negative integers. Got it? Question number 2 is write the following symbolic statements in words. That is, first one, 4/3 belongs to Q. Means what? 4/3 is an element of set Q. 4/3 belongs to Q means what? 4/3 is an element of set Q. Example number 2, that is P, set P equal to P such that P is an odd number. P is an odd number. P is an odd number. That is, we can write this set in the words, that is, set P is a set of all P such that P is an odd number. P is an odd number. Got it? Next one. Of set, that is singleton set. What is the definition of singleton set? A set which contains only one element, or a set having number of elements is one is called a singleton set. That is, set P equal to 2 or set P equal to 3. This is an example of singleton set. Second one, empty set. A set does not contains any element. It's called an empty set. It is also called as null set, and it is represented by Greek letter phi. Got it? This is called phi. Empty set, a set does not contains any element, is called empty elements, or it is also called as null elements. Null set, also called as null set, or it can be represented by Greek letter phi. Third one is finite set. Empty set, or the set which contains limited elements and which are countable, then that set is called as finite set. Got it? An empty set is also called as finite set. In a finite set, there are number of elements are finite, limited, and countable. Therefore, given set is called as finite set. Got it? Example is set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our finite set. Next one is infinite set. Definition is a set which is not finite, or number of elements in the given set are unlimited and infinite set. The set which is not finite and number of elements in the set are unlimited and uncountable, then the given set is called as infinite set. Example is set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers is infinite set. Set of whole numbers is an also infinite set. What is? These are the four types of the set. Next one is equal set. Next one is equal set. What is the definition of equal set? If two set contains exactly the same elements, if the two sets contains exactly the same elements, then that set is called equal set. If two set contains exactly same elements, then that two sets are called equal set. And the example is A is the set of the letters of the word silent, and B is the set of the letters, the word listen. Here these two sets are in rule method. We can write these two sets in listing method. Set A equal to elements S, I, L, E, N, T, and set B equal to L, I, S, T, E, N. These two sets are called equal set because of these two sets contains exactly same elements. Therefore, these two sets are called equal sets. And equal set can be represented as A equal to B. And if these two sets are not equal, then we can return as A is not equal to B. H equal to X such that 3x minus 1 equal to 2, and set B equal to x such that all x such that x is natural number, but x is neither prime nor composite. Neither x is a natural number, but x is neither prime nor composite. composite. Friends, these two sets are in rule method. While deciding these two sets are equal or not, we can write these two sets in listing method. A equal to all x such that 3x minus 1 equal to 2. Here we take x equal to 1. Then element set of element is 1. Because of when we take the x equal to 1, 3 into 1 minus 1 equal to we get 2. Here is a 2. Got it? And second one, set b equal to all x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number, but x is a neither prime nor composite. X is a neither prime nor composite. Then the x we get the value of x equal to 1. And here in set A and set B, both the sets, the number of elements and the same exactly we get the same element, then we can say that set A and set B are the two equal sets. Got it? We know that ideas and concepts are better understanding with the help of diagram. Then here we have a set x equal to a comma b comma c comma d, and this set can be written by using the Venn diagram. Generally, Venn diagram are represented by rectangle, and hence this is our set x, and elements of set x are can be represented by using Venn diagram. This is our got it? Subset. Let's see. A and B are two sets. A and B are the two sets. Then every element of set B, let A and B are the two sets. Every element of set B is an element of set A. Then we can say that B is subset of set A. Let A and B are the two elements, and every element of set B is also an element of set A. Then we can say that set B is subset of set A, and this is represented as B is a subset of A, and read as B is a subset of A. Got it? And this is these two sets are represented by Venn diagram. Set A equal to set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, and set B equal to 1, 2, 4, 6. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Then this is our set A and this is our set B. Then here 1, here 2, here 3. Remaining elements are 5, 7 and 9. Then B is a subset of set A. This is represented by Venn diagram.